In this video, we're going to go over the hill climbing algorithm, one of the simplest pathfinding algorithms that you can implement into your games. Let's say your player is at a specific tile and they want to move to another tile. Here's how you move them with hill climbing. Step 1, look at the tiles that are surrounding the player. Step 2, calculate the distance between the surrounding tiles and the target tile. Step 3, select the surrounding tile that is closest to the target tile. And then step 4, move the player to that surrounding tile and repeat until they reach the target tile. Let's look at an example. So in our example, we have a 5x5 2D tile map. Each tile has XY coordinates. The player is going to start off in the tile 0, 0, and the player wants to travel to tile 3, 2. Now we have to get the tiles that are surrounding the player. Depending on where the player is on the map, there can be up to 8 neighboring tiles. But since the player is in the corner, there are only 3 neighboring tiles. The neighboring tiles are 1, 0, 1, 1, and 0, 1. The next step is to calculate the distance between each of the neighboring tiles and the target tile. This is the distance formula. If you're implementing hill climbing into your game, there's a good chance that your programming language already has a function that'll calculate the distance for you. Using the formula, here are the distances between each of the neighboring tiles and the target tile 3, 2. The distance between 1, 0 and 3, 2 is 2.83 rounded. The distance between 1, 1 and 3, 2 is 2.24 rounded. And the distance between 0, 1 and 3, 2 is 3.16 rounded. Between the 3 neighboring tiles, the tile 1, 1 has the smallest distance, which means that it is the closest to the target tile 3, 2. So that's the tile the player is going to move to next. Now you just repeat the process until the player reaches target 3, 2. And that's the hill climbing algorithm in a nutshell. Thank you for watching.